And to start our meeting, I just would like to start with Mervyn, that is going to introduce us the product showcase. Mervyn, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Samara. Good morning and good afternoon to all of you from wherever in the world you all are connecting, from Japan to the Netherlands. Uh, I think we have promised this product for a very long time. So finally, I'm so glad to be actually introducing the product. And many of you are familiar with the concept. And I'll just begin with saying that we are making a very innovative product which has no parallel in the market today, and we have had a lot of interest. To talk about the product itself, uh, it's the most important thing. It's a single unit. It sits directly in the exhaust and has just three maintenance routines that need to be taken care of. And combined with the excellent support the IXA organization will provide, we we hope this will be a blockbuster product. Uh, so I'll just go to some of the points we believe where we make a complete value for the owner, the scrubber maker, the crew. To begin with, we really have minimal maintenance. Uh, that's three things. The air filter needs to be checked on a monthly basis, and it needs to be changed as uh, needed. The probe has to be cleaned uh, on a as needed basis at a maximal time of up to 6 months. Then we have the light source, which will last if used on an on and off basis operationally for up to 24 months. The light source is a UV light and a IR lamp. The next value proposition we have is automatic zero calibration. This is one of the main highlights of our product. We eliminate drift using this automatic zero calibration. The technical details my colleague will explain. I'll just go through it. We reduce calibration hassles with using this frequent automatic zero calibration. We also our operation is very cost effective due to very low maintenance demands, and we have increased data accuracy to ensure that we are giving the right picture to compliance, to regulation needs. The next point would be easy installation. Since we directly sit only on the exhaust, what you need is a flange on the exhaust and then just a easy setup of power supply, air, data connection, and you are good to go. We also have sort of expectation that it will be a quick job to install it once the initial setup is done. As far as compliance is concerned, we are compliant with MEPC 34077, and as and when new requirements come, we will always remain compliant with with online updates and support from our experts. As far as the log functionality is concerned, we have internal data logging. easy access to historical data, and we have early warnings and alarms for proactive maintenance as needed, which we don't foresee if sufficiently good quality air is supplied continuously to the system. Remote connectivity is the main feature of it. We have a Modbus connection, which is standard across the industry, as well as analog and digital connections. We manage operations from anywhere due to online connectivity, how it is integrated with the scrubber maker. We enhance convenience with data monitoring remotely. As far as the design is concerned, we are based on the MES 1001, which is widely used over the past 7 years across the SCR installations worldwide. The measurement principle is what is exciting. There's no extraction, no heated lines, no additional system for the crew to maintain. And the design is proven and verified through mechanical and lifetime testing. You can go to the next page, Samara. So now some of you sitting across on the other side will be scrubber OEMs. What we want to do is create value for the scrubber OEM to have a compact single unit that is hassle-free to install directly onto the exhaust. That's a no-brainer in this business, which wants to avoid complexity. Then we have auto zero calibration that eliminates drift, ensuring reliable operation continuously. The connections are very simple, just 24-volt DC power supply, 5.5 bar compressed air, and which needs to be supplied continuously at all times. And we are good to go. Then you can rapidly deploy the MES 1002 because it's something that we are very familiar with. So our support will be up and ready as needed. It streamlines the setup, requiring only few connections, and we are a reliable, real-time, non-extractive measurement of SO2. This point about being non-extractive is, I think, a very important aspect of our product, which differentiates us from all others in the market. We are the only system that is a single unit, and I want to repeat this. It's a standalone single unit, which no other player in the market has. Next page, Samara. I think I'm running a little over time, but I'll just quickly go through this. For the end user, it's a simplified consumable change on site, so the crew can just replace the consumables as needed. Of course, the installation is easy. I've repeated this again. You take control of your maintenance schedule and optimize system performance because there's nothing you got to do other than cleaning and checking of your filters. You have total control of your maintenance process on board. So we want to take out the SEMS from troubleshooting by the crew. So this is what we introduced to the market, and we just ensure a few things. Continuous air supply, and continuous air supply is a very important part of our system. So it's important to highlight this again and again. And we just have to replace the filter elements and clean the probe as needed. Yeah, that's it from me. Thank you.